Have you ever wanted to travel light, stay comfortable, and see the world on a budget? My wife and I have done that with just 2 backpacks. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a travel style we call flashpacking and why it might be just the thing for your next travel adventure. Hi, I'm Aaron. This is Wander More, Work Less. My wife Sarah and I have spent 6 months in 2025 traveling the world with just our backpacks. Now I want to share with you what works for us and why this might be a good option for your travels in the future. So what is flashpacking, I hear you ask? We like to think of it as being backpacking for grown-ups. It's traveling light with a backpack, but with a credit card and a slightly better budget than what you had when you were 20 years old. It's taking you back to those early years though in terms of a bit of adventure. It's taking a bus, jumping on a train, booking a ferry, using public transport, not hopping in a taxi. Use your feet, do some walking. It's that kind of style of travel. We don't stay in hostels, we don't carry tents, we don't go camping. We look for affordable apartments, places with a kitchen, a laundry, a nice sofa, perhaps even a swimming pool would be nice. So why did we choose flashpacking as a style of travel? I guess that decision goes back to about 2019. We decided to travel to China for 4 weeks and we were going to be taking the train. And it just seemed far more practical to be hopping on a train with a backpack. We didn't have fancy backpacks back then, but we did have good quality hiking packs that you load from the top, which is a bit of a pain. So 4 weeks of doing that, and then another 4 weeks in Thailand and Cambodia, again with hiking packs, we decided to upgrade. We bought some Osprey backpacks, which you'll see a video of. I'll put it on the screen. Those Osprey packs are just so much more convenient. We really enjoy them. It's made traveling so much easier. We've loved the sense of adventure of flashpacking as opposed to booking a tour or hopping on a cruise boat. It's just, I don't know, you're far more flexible. You're under your power of your own steam. You've got to figure things out yourself. It's not all pre-booked. You do it as you go. It comes with that little bit of stress that you've got to organize things on the road, not have it all set out, but the flexibility it gives you to stay a little bit longer somewhere, decide, oh, hold on, let's do a side trip to this country. It really does come with some great advantages. Flashpacking saves money, keeps you mobile, and lets you travel longer. Border crossings are easier, plans stay flexible, and you get comfort without feeling like you're backpacking at age 20 again. Full disclosure, flashpacking might not be for everybody. You do need to be physically fit. You need to have a sense of adventure. Probably helps if you can handle technology a little bit. Knowing how to get from place to place is really important because you're not going to be pre-booked. You need to figure out which train, bus, ferry to take. You need to book that accommodation in the next place you're going to, but you're not going to book it 2 or 3 weeks in advance. You're going to leave things a little bit flexible. So some people just probably won't enjoy that style of travel. So who's going to enjoy flashpacking? I guess anybody. I mean, we're in our 50s. People in their 40s, 50s, 60s and beyond would really enjoy it. It brings back a sense of adventure that you might have had when you're in your 20s and you might have gone backpacking. But you bring a better budget. Bring your credit card. Stay in slightly nicer places. Spend money on experiences, things that you're really going to enjoy. That doesn't mean you need to be older. We've seen and met plenty of people in their 20s that have got backpacks that are not staying in hostels and they're booking affordable apartments and sharing them with their friends or their partners just like we did. So really, flashpacking can be for everybody. Does flashpacking sound like your style of travel? Drop us your questions and thoughts in the comments. We'd really like to help you try it out. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, welcome to Wander More, Work Less. If you've returned from watching some of our other videos, now you'll know a little bit more about our style of travel that we call flashpacking. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed this style of video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Catch you again soon. Cheers!